Fasting after 50. Best practices, frequency, and types of fasting. Introduction. What fasting is. Why fasting becomes different after age 50. Importance of balancing. Muscle preservation. Hormone health. Energy levels. Blood sugar control. Brain health. Reminder to consult a healthcare provider before starting fasting, especially if taking medications or managing conditions like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease. Benefits of fasting for adults over 50. A. Metabolic health. Improved insulin sensitivity. Better blood sugar control. Reduced belly fat. B. Brain and cognitive support. May support memory and focus. Possible reduction in inflammation. C. Cellular repair. Supports autophagy, cell cleanup process. Healthy aging benefits. D. Digestive rest. Gives digestive system recovery time. May reduce bloating and overeating. E. Heart health. Can improve cholesterol and blood pressure markers. Important risks for people over 50. A. Muscle loss. Aging naturally reduces muscle mass. Overfasting may worsen sarcopenia. B. Nutrient deficiencies. Lower calorie intake can reduce protein, vitamins, and minerals. C. Fatigue and dizziness. Blood sugar drops. Dehydration risk increases. D. Hormonal stress. Long fasts may raise cortisol in some individuals. E. Medication concerns. Blood sugar medications, blood pressure medications. Need for physician supervision. Best types of fasting for adults over 50. A. 12-12 fasting, beginner friendly. Structure. Fast 12 hours, eat during a 12-hour window. Example. Finish dinner at 7 p.m., eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Best for beginners, adults over 50 new to fasting. Maintaining energy and muscle. Recommended frequency. Daily. Benefits. Gentle on hormones. Easy to sustain. Helps digestion and sleep.
B. 14-10 fasting. Structure. Fast 14 hours. Eat within 10 hours. Example, eat between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Best for weight management, mild insulin resistance. Recommended frequency, 4 to 6 days per week. Benefits, more fat burning than 12-12, usually manageable for adults over 50. C. 16-8 intermittent fasting. Structure. Fast 16 hours, eat within 8 hours. Example, eat between 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Best for experienced fasters, weight loss goals, pre-diabetes management. Recommended frequency, 2 to 5 days per week. Not always necessary daily after 50. Important notes. Prioritize protein intake. Strength training strongly recommended. D. Circadian rhythm fasting. Structure. Eat earlier in the day. Avoid late night eating. Example, eat between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Best for sleep improvement, blood sugar balance, heart health. Recommended frequency, daily lifestyle approach. Benefits, aligns with natural body clock, often easier on older adults. E. 5-2 fasting method. Structure, eat normally 5 days weekly. Reduce calories 500 to 700 on 2 non-consecutive days. Best for those who dislike daily fasting windows. Recommended frequency, weekly. Cautions. Monitor energy levels carefully. Avoid excessive calorie restriction. F. 24-hour fasting, advanced. Structure, 1 full day fast occasionally. Example, dinner to dinner fast. Best for experienced fasters only. Recommended frequency, once or twice monthly at most after age 50. Risks, muscle loss, fatigue, blood sugar instability.
Usually not recommended for frail adults, underweight individuals, people with chronic illness without supervision. Which fasting styles work best by goal? Goal, recommended fasting type. Healthy aging, 12-12 or circadian fasting. Weight loss, 14-10 or 16.
Blood sugar support, 14-10, circadian fasting. Energy maintenance, 12-12. Simplicity and sustainability, circadian fasting. Advanced metabolic reset, occasional 24-hour fast. Nutrition priorities during fasting over 50. A. Protein intake, critical for muscle maintenance. Include fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, beans. B. Hydration, water, electrolytes, herbal tea. C. Strength training, helps preserve muscle during fasting. Recommended 2 to 4 times weekly. D. Nutrient-dense foods, vegetables, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates. Who should avoid or modify fasting? People with history of eating disorders, frailty or low body weight, advanced diabetes on medication, chronic kidney disease, active cancer treatment. Need medical guidance. Adults taking insulin, individuals with heart conditions, anyone with frequent dizziness or weakness. Suggested beginner plan for adults over 50. Weeks 1 to 2. Start with 12-12 fasting daily. Weeks 3 to 4. Try 14-12 fasting several days weekly. Month 2 plus. Consider 16-8 only if energy, sleep, and recovery remain good. Long-term goal. Sustainable routine, not extreme restriction. 9. Key takeaways. Adults over 50 generally benefit more from moderate fasting than aggressive fasting. Muscle preservation becomes a top priority. The safest and most sustainable approaches are 12-12 fasting, 14-10 fasting, circadian rhythm fasting. Longer fasts should be less frequent and approached carefully. Consistency matters more than intensity. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational, Health, Body, and Relationship today. Thanks for watching.